Hello to all traders. Today I've prepared an exceptional scalping strategy for you using two free indicators from the TradingView website. These indicators are easy to use but yield good profits. So if you're looking for good profits, be sure to watch this video until the end. First, we need to choose our symbol. You can choose any symbol you like, whether it's from the forex market, crypto, or even the stock market. Just choose one. Then we need to go to the time frame section. Since this is a scalping strategy, I recommend selecting the 5-minute time frame as it's ideal for scalping. Next, we need to add the first indicator to our chart. To do this, go to the indicator tab and search for Breakout line to find the first indicator for this strategy. Click on it to add it to the chart. This indicator requires some adjustments, so enter its settings and make the necessary changes to make it ready for use in this strategy. This indicator is one of the best you can find as it provides key points to allow you to enter buy and sell trades accurately and easily. When price candles cross this indicator line upwards, it creates a bullish breakout, and at this point we should look for buy positions. Conversely, when price candles cross this indicator line downwards, it creates a bearish breakout, and at this point, we should look for sell positions. However, always remember that you should not rely solely on one indicator, and no indicator is 100% accurate. To increase our win rate, we need to add a second indicator to the chart. To do this, go to the indicator tab and search for MACD Reloaded. When you find it, click on it to add it to the chart. Now enter its settings and make the changes like me so that this indicator is ready to be used for our scalping strategy, just like the first indicator. This indicator has a middle line that divides it into two areas. The first area where all columns are green and placed above the middle line. We call this area the upward area, and in this area we are only looking for buy positions. The second area where all columns are red and placed below the middle line. We call this area the downward area, and in it we are only looking for sell positions. Now you just need to know how to enter a trade. Let's start with buy orders. First of all, we need to find a bullish breakout, which means to look for a candle that has crossed above the breakout line indicator. Then we need to look at the MACD Reloaded indicator and make sure we are in the upward area. Now that these two conditions are met, we have found the entry point for the trade. Now we set our stop loss slightly below the last swing low. For the take profit, it's enough to consider a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. For a sell order, we need to do the opposite of the buy order. First, we should find a bearish breakout. After that, we need to make sure that in this point, the MACD indicator is in the downward area and all the candles are red and below the middle line. Once these two conditions are met, we have found the entry point for the trade. Now we set our stop loss slightly above the last swing high. For the take profit, it's enough to consider a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. As you can see, this strategy is simple and effective but requires some practice. I encourage you to try it on different symbols and share your win rate in the comments so we can see who had the highest win rate on which symbol. Thanks for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate all of you, and until the next video, take care.